What's up, everybody? Ryan Naylor here, Figured Out Crypto. And today, I wanted to go over a few things on taxes. I went to the Crypto Tax Summit in Arizona. So for those of you that are in the US and are investing in crypto, might be somewhat useful information. So I just got off the phone with my, I guess he's a tax attorney, about doing a self-directed IRA. So one of the things that I wanted to do is invest in my IRA so that I don't have to pay capital gains taxes on the crypto that I'm invested in. And so not tax advice, not financial advice, because I'm not a tax advisor. This is just what I heard from a tax attorney. And so I can invest $6,000 for myself and my spouse, each for last year. So I have up until April 15th of this year to invest $6,000 for each of us last year. If I extend my taxes, that makes it October 15th. I can invest $6,000 into our IRA or Roth IRA. And I made some good coin last year. And so I don't qualify for the Roth IRA, which basically is pre-tax income that already goes in, and so it's not taxed when it comes out. But I learned that there's a backdoor Roth IRA method that I can take advantage of. And so I will be using the backdoor method, and I'm going to do a self-directed IRA where they create the LLC for me. And I'm using Mark Kohler's company. You can look up Mark Kohler. He's a tax attorney and CPA. And that's the event that I went to. And they'll set up your LLC for you so you can do a self-directed IRA. This means that, like, let's say you want to do DeFi in your IRA. You can't do DeFi in your IRA if you go to iTrust Capital or one of these other places. It's just only being able to buy the asset, Bitcoin or Ethereum or the list of 100 different cryptos that they have. But you can't go and say, oh, you know what, I want to take that off of the normal exchanges and I want to stake that over here or yield farm, and make good money, or have a Terra wallet and stake your UST for 19.5%. You can't do that with your normal IRA crypto accounts, but you can do it with a self-directed IRA. So I'm going to get a backdoor Roth IRA, the LLC to do the self-direction, and then the LLC will own the wallet, and I can self-custody that and do DeFi with my Roth IRA. So cool little trick that I learned there. And then I also learned about the solo 401k. This is interesting. I can't invest my solo 401k for last year. You only have until the end of the year to do it. But if you have a business, and you can also be a sole proprietor, but if you have a business and you can take 25% of your earned income in your business and invest that into a solo 401k up to $61,000. You can't have any employees. So this is like, maybe for a small business, right? You can't have any employees other than, let's say, your spouse, but you can take 25% of your earned income. So if you made like $200,000 in your business, you can take 50,000, put that into your solo 401k. You can self-direct that by having an LLC for your self-directed IRA, and you can do DeFi with that. So anyways, these are really helpful tricks. HSA, same thing. You can do the same thing for your HSA, invest in crypto. So some things to think about for sure. This is my journey. I don't know a whole lot. Personally, I've been in crypto since 2017, and I've paid taxes on crypto, but a lot of these tax regulations that are coming out are going to be new. And One thing that I did learn, by the way, that there's a lawsuit currently happening with a couple and the IRS, and basically they're saying that you're staked. They're making the case that the staked, let's say you have staked ETH and it's earning rewards in ETH, is not income, but it's property. So the rewards is not income, it's new property. And so it shouldn't be subject to those capital gains taxes, the short-term capital gains taxes, until you sell your crypto, your staked ETH or staked whatever, and then it would be taxed. And it sounds like, from what I was reading, it sounds like the IRS may be on board with that, where they're not going to tax the staked income coming in because that's actually staked, or that what's coming in is actually new property being created, not income. So fact check me, people. Hopefully there's a CPA out there watching or tax attorney. Please put something in the comments below. If this video is helpful and you like watching my journey, please like and subscribe, and share any of this info with people that you care about, people that you know that might be in this business or wanting to get into this business, and they just need a little bit of direction on taxes. Go to Mark Kohler and subscribe to his channel because he's got some gangster stuff. He's really good with taxes. And that event, that crypto tax summit, is amazing. That's all I got.